Hi friend, my name is Kurniawan and my friend is
Waimin. We will
to make a noodle. Let's go. The first, boil 2 glass of water in a pan.
1, 2.
Next, add the noodle. Okay. Stir the noodle for 3 minutes.
Second, we will the hot is beginning. Cook, put the seasoning and chili powder in a bowl.
Next, pour the chocolate noodle together with the soup into the bowl. Mix with the soy seasoning. Okay. Finish.
Spread
Delicious
delicious
powder.
Means that
Is
is ready to be served.
served. Thank you.